Okay, today I had to change a hose on my compressor. I have a Husky 8-gallon 135 psi compressor, and what happened was that it got a hole, a pinhole that was letting air out. As you can see, this is a cheap plastic hose that came with it. So I purchased a Dewalt from Home Depot. 50 feet hose, 1/4 inch, 1/4 NPT, and I just installed it. It's a lot nicer hose. It's a rubber hose. All I had to do was switch this out here, and I put on my pressure gauge, and that was it. I'm quite impressed. It could support up to 300 psi, and this machine will never go above that. So let's see what happens.